To get Discord on school Chromebook. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you the procedure to get Discord on school Chromebook. To access Discord on school Chromebook, the most common method is to use the web version by visiting discord.com in your browser, or you could also try using a VPN. So here's what you need to do: is open up your browser. First of all, you have to go to make some changes with the site settings. Click the three dot icon, go to settings. As you go to settings, you want to come to privacy and security. Scroll down to the bottom and make sure that third parties cookies or this is enabled, or make sure that blocked is not enabled at the moment. Once you've actually done it, so you could then go ahead and visit or see all data permissions, and if you see something you want to delete it, that as well. Next, what you want to do is open up a new tab and type in discord.com and see whether you'll be able to log in or not. However, if you are unable to log in, then you could use Discord or you could use a VPN in order to get the Discord on your school Chromebook. So use any VPN such as a proxy VPN or maybe Turbo VPN. You could go with that, and once you've enabled the VPN, you could then go ahead and do the same procedure I showed you just now. That is, open up the web browser, type in discord.com, and that's going to help you out. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.